are born to play.
Playing helps us learn about the world.
Playing is one of the most powerful tools for learning.
There's no right or wrong way to play. And when we aren't bound by the constraints of, am I doing this right? There's actually a lot of freedom in what and how we learn. So if we can create a safe and welcoming learning environment, then play becomes the safe place for children to take risks and to fail and to try again and simply delight in what they're doing. Children don't play because it's easy. They play because it's satisfying. They play because it deeply supports this innate desire we have to figure out how things work. It's where they learn new skills and build confidence. It's where they can process emotions and build relationships, explore something unknown. They find joy in the learning as they send their race car down, build it, test it, race it for the 12th time, because this time there's different wheels, or this time they're racing a different car and they want to figure out what's going to happen.
When children engage with hands-on STEAM experiences early, they're developing social and emotional skills alongside scientific thinking, with play at the center. The museum encourages kids to become confident with exploration at a young age through programs like Toddler Tuesday. And we continue to cultivate that curiosity as kids grow through camps, field trips, and after-school programs.
Play is essential to learning for all of us, but for young children, it is even more important because it helps them make sense of their world. It gives them the chance to discover things on their own. It gives them opportunities for critical thinking and problem solving, and it gives them the skills necessary for when they go into more formal learning in the classroom. As a former teacher, I've seen that the students who do the best are the ones who have the opportunities to experience the world, to learn from doing and not just from being taught. MOXI's investment in children under 5 makes all the difference. We come to Toddler Tuesday every single week because it's a way for me to see my grandson's growth over time. Sort of like how you mark the height on a doorway, I can see every week how he's growing. I just feel so fortunate to have MOXI here. We've been supporters from the very beginning, and we will continue to be supporters because I know how important it is for our community and for our children, and they're our future.
Every child deserves to play, and every child deserves to play at MOXI. In the same way that we're committed to play-based learning as a philosophy, we're equally committed to making our museum accessible to all children in the community. So research shows us that play-based learning builds the academic and life skills that go well beyond childhood. So that's why we're investing in new spaces that are dedicated to kids under the age of 5. And it's why we're committed to ensuring that everyone in our community can visit, thanks to our programs like Museums for All and our Community Access Program.
You can help open the door for more kids to play at MOXI.
You can help kids have a bright future.
Together, we can help kids get a strong start in STEAM.
Thank you. Outstanding!